Alright, here we have the Main Street Railroad crossing in Germantown, Wisconsin. And yes, this is on the Wisconsin and Southern Railroad's line. They don't get that much trains here often. Might as well get a crossing tour out here, but here I have the first signal. Has a Western column haze base. Gate mechanisms, a Western column haze gate mechanism. And they're also on these WC Hayes, I forget what they're called. Oh yeah, counterweights. But I believe here's the emergency information. As you can see, dot number is 386986U. Lights here are Safe Tran 12 by 24 inch lights with GE General Electric, the uniform look LEDs of them. Just close up the LED. There's a close up back of the light right there. The bell here. Oh, I forgot they're all on Progress Rail junction boxes. No. The bell here is a General Signals electronic bell. Might be a Type 2, though. The gate lights here are Rico gate lights, likely LED. Now, I'm gonna wait for this car to pass. I believe it's a police car, but I think this signal was recently installed. As you can see, it's got the relay case for Wisconsin and Southern Railroad here. But I'm across the street since nothing's coming. Here I have the second signal. It's pretty much identical to the first. As you can see, it's got another Western column haze base. Another Western column haze gate mechanism. Emergency information down here. I believe this is how the Wisconsin Southern Railroad does it. Have their other emergency informations posted, but the lights here are more Safe Tran 12 by 24 inch lights with General Electric uniform look LEDs in them. So close up the back of the light. Might be able to catch a train here since I'm in the area, and they're on more Progress Rail junction boxes. Well, here's another General Signals electronic bell, most likely a Type 2. More likely Type 3. And then we have more Rico LED gate lights. And they're I'll just say Rico gate lights. I don't know if they're LED or not, but I'll come back to this crossing since I'm living close to here. But this is on the Wisconsin and Southern Railroad's line. That way it's looking northwest towards the Canadian National Waukesha subdivision's main line. And that way it's looking south towards southeast towards southeast towards the Canadian National's branch line. Now I'm across the street since nothing's coming at the moment. So yeah, I believe this crossing got upgraded. Probably replaced some gateless signals here. So yeah, this is the Main Street Railroad crossing in Germantown, Wisconsin. Signing off.